Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Wi-Fi not working properly in HP laptop or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is here at your keyboard, you need to press Windows and R key together to open this window. Here you need to type in cpa.cpl. Click on OK to proceed. So the moment click on that, you would be able to open the network connections, where you would be able to see your network cable and your Wi-Fi. So here's the catch. You need to select the Wi-Fi that you are currently facing an issue with or the one that you are currently connecting. Okay. Do a right click and make it enable. Okay, so in my case, I am using such and I am enabling this. That's why it's saying here disabled. So there are some cases that you have just accidentally or mistakenly disable your Wi-Fi. So just have to enable this. Okay, and once done, check and try to connect your Wi-Fi. Okay, and check if your problem has worked. Okay. Unless if it doesn't, then you need to go back here at the network connections panel and select again your Wi-Fi, do a right click, and this time you need to proceed to properties. Okay? So here under the Wi-Fi properties, you need to proceed to the Internet Protocol version 4. So before proceeding to the Wi-Fi properties, make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled, okay? So just leave your Wi-Fi enabled once you have enabled it earlier. Okay? So select this Internet Protocol version 4, go with properties and make sure that this obtain an IP address automatically is enabled. And here you need to change this into use the following DNS server addresses. So here under the preferred DNS server, we are going to set it at the best cloud DNS, which is 1.1.1. And we are going to set the alternate DNS server into 1.0.0.1. Okay, so what we have just set, okay, let me clarify, is the best cloud DNS. You can also, sorry, go with the best Google's DNS, which is 8.8.8.8, aligning the preferred DNS server, or you can go with also in the alternate DNS server, which is the second Google's DNS, which is 8.8.4.4. Okay, once you are all set, click on OK to apply and then close all of this window. So you need to try to connect again to the Wi-Fi, okay, and check if your problem has been fixed. And let's if it doesn't, then let's move on to our third step, which is here at the start icon. You need to do a right click, scroll up, and go with Device Manager. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your device manager, you need to expand it first, okay? And this time you need to go with network adapters and click this forward arrow to see more. Now here's the catch, you need to select the wireless adapter or the wireless LAN card in your computer. So you may have a different name, not like mine, but that's completely fine because that is similar. Okay, they just differ in name. Okay, just have to do a right click once you have selected and go with update driver. So once you have update the driver, once you have selected it, go with search for automatically for drivers, and if your machine says that the best drivers for your device is already installed, proceed on the backward arrow and you need to go with browse my computer for drivers. Okay, so here we need to manually roll back the driver. Okay, so just have to select this and then click on next and wait until it is being installed successfully in your machine. Okay, so once you have installed that, you need to restart your computer and try to connect to the Wi-Fi again and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? And let's if it doesn't, then we need to bound to our last step, which is here at the bottom search bar. You need to search for CMD, and wait for the best match, which is command prompt system, to appear. Here you need to go with run as administrator, okay? And your user account control will ask you the moment you click on that, just proceed to yes to confirm your action. Okay, so here at the command prompt window, you need to type a command, okay? Which is the very first one is ipconfig space forward slash release. So just type it here, okay? Once done, click on enter and proceed to the second, which is ipconfig space forward slash flash DNS. So once we have released the DNS, I mean ipconfig, we need to flush the DNS. So definitely it will fix your problem. And once you have flushed it, proceed on typing ipconfig space forward slash renew. Okay? So you can choose either this or you can type this ipconfig space renew. And once you have renewed the IP configuration space, proceed on typing netshint space IP space reset. Okay. And you can also go with this c colon backward slash reset log dot txt. Okay. So once you're done, click on enter and go with the last one, which is netsh space winsock space reset. So you need to type this one by one. Okay. Once you have typed this, click on enter, proceed to the second, click on enter, proceed to the third, click on enter, proceed to the fourth, click on enter, and proceed to the last one, click on enter. So once you're done, it will not take some time actually. It will only take 3 to 4 minutes, okay? Process in your computer. And once you're done, type exit to exit the command prompt. Okay? So once you're done, you need to restart your computer and I'm sure your problem will be fixed if you perform those actions. Okay? So those are the steps, a very basic steps on how to fix your problem. Okay, so if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.